Good morning everybody. I am Khushi Yadav from class 6. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the Indian Army. The Indian Army is one of the most powerful army in the world. The peace that our nation enjoys today is bestowed on us by the dedication and hard work of our Indian Army. The Indian Army is one of the three armed forces of our nation. The Indian Army ensures national security against then by external hostilities and other internal emergency cases, such as natural disaster. The Indian Army is the second largest standing troop in the world, with nearly 1.45 million active military personnel. The motto of the Indian Army is Seva Paramo Dharma, and it means service of our prime duty. The Indian Army is a major constituent of national power. It is the biggest voluntary military force in the world. The Indian Army is also one of the biggest contributors to United Nations peacemaking operation. India has participated in various United Nations all across the world. So far, our army has provided 15 force commanders, 2 military advisors, 1 deputy military advisor to the Secretary General of the United Nations, 2 division commanders and 8 deputy force commanders. All these efforts have resulted in exceptionally improving the pride of our nation. Let's pay homage to our Indian heroes for all their great sacrifice and without much celebration. Let's agree with the words said by Napoleon Bonaparte. The army is the true novelty of our country. Indian soldiers are true heroes of our nation. They guard our national border day and night and sacrifice their lives to protect us from the attack of enemy. Indian soldiers are true patriots who devote their lives to upholding the pride of our nation. Let's pay homage to our Indian heroes. All these efforts have resulted in exceptionally improving the pride of our nation. हर पल हम सच्चे भारतीय बनकर देश के प्रति अपना फर्ज निभाएंगे. जरूरत पड़ी तो लहू का एक एक कतरा देकर इस धरती का कर चुकाएंगे. हम चैन से सो पाए इसलिए ही वो सो गया. वह भारतीय फौजी ही था जो आज शहीद हो गया. रिवायत सी बन गई देशभक्ति जो जनाब बस लोग तारीखों पर फर्ज अदा करते हैं. जिनमें अकेले चलने के हौसले होते हैं एक दिन उनके पीछे काफिले होते हैं. आजादी की कभी शाम नहीं होने देंगे. शहीदों की कुर्बानी बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे. बची हो जो एक बूंद भी लहू की तब तक भारत का आंचल नीलाम नहीं होने देंगे. जय हिंद जय भारत है.
Excellent, what a nice performance.